All right, today we're going to take a look at another nice little Zippo. Now this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box, and the label says Wolf Skull Feather Design, and it's a genuine Zippo made in the USA. And it's got the ridiculous California warning on there, and it was manufactured in Bradford, PA. So here is the wolf feather design with a skull thrown in. It's on an ironstone finish, and it was made in I of 18. Really good stampings on this one. I think that's September. Nice sound with a steel insert. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this. Okay, so it passed the drop test nicely. It's just a sticker. Pretty cool design. Ironstone finish. That will go between a couple of other wolf designs I have. I like that one. That one's not too bad either. So these Zippos that are made in the USA definitely deserve a little cowbell. Now that sounds like a cowbell. Knuckle bump.